Good morning, guys. It's Missy Atlanta, and today I'm going to attempt to make some chicken and waffles for the very first time. I have never made chicken and waffles. I've never eaten chicken and waffles. So the Mimi got this for Christmas, so I'm gonna try to make her some chicken and waffles this morning. I'm just gonna be using the Aunt Jemima's pancake batter mix for pancake and waffle. Just add water, keeping it real simple over here. And then, I don't know if y'all remember when we were hauling these cupcake batter filler and spreader things from Dollar Tree like last year or whatever, but I'm gonna try to use this to pour it in there. And then, of course, I got a pack of chicken breasts I'm about to cut and season up to be fried. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing pretty well, but I just cleaned the chicken breasts. Now I'm about to slice them into like thin slices. Please excuse my ratchet hands. I'm trying to take the nails off. So I'm gonna slice it into like thin strips like that, season it, and then batter and fry.
Without have no soul.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and unboxed the waffle maker, and this is what it looks like. So now let's see what we're working with. Got the pancake batter, and I'm just gonna pour it in here. I am not a measurer. The popping out here in the back is the grease heating up so that I can toss that chicken in there. H2O. Some water in there. I forgot to get some sprayed butter or cooking oil or whatever, so I'm gonna try to use this stick of butter on here. Let me do that now. Hopefully that works. It's supposed to be non-stick anyway, I think. Just do this real quick. Just trying not to make a mess. This thing is real hot, and I hope I don't set the smoke alarms off. I did get this, so let me try to use it. I guess let me just... Okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't think I want to use that. Look at it. Works. I guess I should have read the instructions too, seeing that I've never used one of these before. I've never made waffles before. Like, yeah, because it's oozing out the side. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's oozing out the sides, y'all. What did I do wrong? This is like an epic fail already. I don't know. Maybe it's okay. Let's get a plate. That's what it looked like. So, I don't know. The mini is gonna judge. Mixed up another batter of pancake mix, so let's try this again, because I gotta get it. I mean, it's not that bad, but yeah. So, let's see. I don't think I did too bad. I just gotta work on my little skills with that tool. I'm waiting on this chicken to get done. So here is the chicken and waffles that I got. And I think I might need to heat it up a little bit. But I'm gonna try these for the first time. It's my first time making chicken and waffles and my first time eating chicken and waffles. So, yeah. I don't even know how to eat it. Okay. So let me just taste this waffle. Not bad. I guess since I used the pancake batter, it just tastes like pancake mix. Maybe I fried this chicken too hard. Actually tastes pretty good. Here comes the mini out of her room. She'll tell me what she really thinks. I need more syrup. The mini is in there and she says that I made the waffle like a pancake. Waffles are supposed to have a different texture. Comment down below if that's true, because I don't know. I eat pancakes. Huh? Says waffles are supposed to be crispy around the edges. So I guess I didn't cook it long enough is what she's trying to tell me. But I'll try it again. Did you taste it? Are you supposed to eat chicken and waffles with eggs? Yeah. I might want you to just drip on my plate. That's it. This is my first time making waffles and trying waffles. Chicken and waffles. I went to Roscoe's, but I ordered macaroni and cheese instead. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the subscriber die squad, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.